First step is turn the unit's light and fan on by using the switch near the electrical outlets on the outside panel. The next one is the safety shield of your hood automatically drops to the right height for proper operation. Do not lift up the safety glass unless it is to put materials in or taking them out of the hood. Lower the safety glass only if the height of the automatic stop is too high to protect your body and face. Next is to improve how well fumes are taken up and away. Put your reaction or equipment as far back in the fume hood as you possibly can. And lastly, if a splash occurs, wipe the glass of the fume hood clean and be sure to clean up any spills right away.
The fan of the fume hood is not turned on, which may cause the hazardous of chemicals such as the toxic fumes, vapors and dust will spread into the air. The sash is lifted above the right height for a proper operation. You should never climb inside the fume hood or stick your head inside it. Don't forget to clean up the spill when a splash occurs.